Hi everyone, welcome to Learn IT with Venkat, and this is Dr. Venkatesan. Today's video we are going to discuss about smart door system implementation with the help of SBC using Cisco Packet Tracer. Let me go with the topology creation, and this is my work area. First I am in need of SBC, so click the component, choose the SBC. SBC is nothing but single board computer, that is nothing but Raspberry Pi. Okay, added to this device I'm going to add the motion detector. So if you type motion, you will get two devices, motion detector and motion sensor. Okay, now I am going to use motion sensor. So motion sensor. And next device I would like to add is camera. So type camera, add the camera module, camera. Okay. So after this, I wish to add door. So type door, you will get two components. One is door and another one is garage door. For my scenario, I would like to add door. So this is door. Okay. And next device I would like to add light. So type light and put the light inside your topology. So relabel light. At last I would like to add LCD display. This is the display unit. So display. So these are all the components needed for my topology. Finally I would like to go the connection. So item called IoT custom cable I have to choose. So for multiple connection I have chosen with control button, and D0 of your SBC connected with your motion sensor, D1 connected with your camera, D2 connected with your door, D3 connected with your light, and D4 connected with your display. D stands for digital port. So all these devices connected with your SBC. Okay, now my topology is ready. Now I would like to configure or program the SBC. Go to SBC. By default you will have a Blink a Python program. Go to main. Instead of creating new program, I would like to add it. If you wish, you can create a new program also, but you have to type it from the scratch. If you have taken the existing program, no need to type it from the scratch. You have already the packages, two packages. GPIO stands for general purpose input output, through which your SBC connected with your device, and time for delay. And main method, here I have to decide my pin mode. So pin mode, here I have to decide what are all my input and what are all my outputs, D0 to D4. Okay, so here I have to decide what is my input and output. So 0, if you see the 0 is connected with motion sensor. So based on your motion sensor is going to give some input. So based on that, the other devices are going to react. If motion is detected, what is going to happen? If motion is not detected, what is going to happen? So that is what in this scenario I am going to create. So 0 comma input, and remaining devices are going to be output. So I am just copy paste 4 times. So one remaining ports, if you look at the topology, 0 is input, 2 1 2 3 4 are going to be my output. So 1 comma out, 2 comma out. So printing smart door system, I want to print, this is my message. So this is the while loop, it will always execute, that is infinite number of times. So that is why it is true. And if you give enter, I remove the existing thing. Now I wish to create a variable d equal to digital read of. So I am going to read the input. So as we have declared, motion sensor is my input and others are going to be my output. So motion sensor connected with D0, which you have decided as input here. So here digital read of, I have to give 0. So this variable will receive the value from the motion sensor. So I want to display what is the value of motion sensor. As of now I don't know what is the value if there is no motion, or if there is motion, what is the value I don't know. So I have to print it first. Run the program. So before that I would like to add delay of 1000 milliseconds, which means 1 second. So this while loop will iterate for 1 second, that means 1000 millisecond equal to 1 second. So it will, every time it will have a delay of 1 second. So start 0 0, every second it will print the value of d, read it from the digital port 0 of which is connected to your motion sensor. So if it is 0, no motion, I am moving my mouse, alt move. Once you give the motion and see the value, 1023 is the value if there is a motion. So if there is no motion, value is 0. If there is a motion, then the value is 1023. I got the value here. Clear the output screen. Now I am going for the condition making. So if D equal to 1023, which means motion is detected. Okay, give enter. It is an indented program. So once you give the enter, automatically it will go to the next indentation. That means space. Okay, no need to give curly braces. Just you have to give enter. Okay, inside if condition, what I have to do? So if there is a motion, first step I want the topology to do is I want this camera module, okay, to on. So if there is a motion, first the camera has to on. How it is? Custom write of camera module is connected with SBC by the port called D1, digital 1. So 1 is the number comma high. High means on. Okay. You can ask me a question, why custom write I am using. So go to the device specification and here you could see what is the function used to do some changes in this device, which is an API. API is nothing but application programming interface. So through that you have to connect or do some changes with this IoT device. Like that you can go to all the other devices. If you go to door, custom write. If you go to light, custom write. And if you go to display also, you will get a messages, custom read, analog read. Okay, so by using that you have to form a method. So custom write of 1 comma high means when motion is detected, your camera is on. Else if there is no motion, no motion, colon custom write of my camera has to off. So 1 comma low, 1 is the number connected with your camera, low means off. Okay, now I am executing, run. So 0, which means no motion, so my camera module is not on, no red color. So I am doing the motion now, alt movement, move your mouse, and now you could see the value changed and also the camera on, red color is visible now, and the value 1023. Once it gets 0, your camera off. So this condition works fine. Now I wish to add the second output if there is a motion. So custom write of, if there is a motion, then I want the door to open. So door is having 4 operations: open, close, unlock, and lock, and it is a array value. So 2 values are there, one is door and second one is lock. So door is having 2 values, one is to close and another one is open. Door is closed or open, and lock is also having 2, unlock and lock. So based on these 2 values, I am going to play with the door, closed or open or unlock, whatever. So these 2 door and lock variable, I am going to use these values to play with this door. Okay, so I am just moving this side to make you understand better. So custom write, if there is a motion, I want my door to open it. So my door connected with, if you go to the topology, my door connected with SBC with a pin number 2. So 2 comma, and I want, when motion detected, I want the door to open. So open means 1. So first variable is, value of that variable is 1. So 2 comma 1, and second variable lock, if it is open means the door has to unlock. If it is locked, you can't open it. So if the door is to open, then your lock should be unlocked. So 2 1 0. Okay, for door and lock. Okay, so by using these values you could play different scenarios, okay, for door and lock. Now for else statement, if there is no motion, what I have to do? Custom write of 2 comma, what I have to do? Now I have to close the door, so I could give 0 comma, and also for lock I can use 2 values, one is for unlock and another one for lock. For example, I am giving unlock, it is not locked. Okay, I want that door should be closed only, not to lock. If you want, you can change it to 1, but for my scenario I am taking it as unlock. Okay, so here I am going to execute. So stop, clear the output and run it again. So now there is no motion. So 0 is the value and I am doing motion here 1023 value, and see here my door opened and camera on. So when there is a motion, if condition is working, and if there is a no motion, else part is working, camera off and door closed. Okay, but not locked. You can see that front fellow is in green color, door front fellow is in green color. Now I have to go for the light. So custom right of light is connected with D3. So 3 comma, if you look at the light, it is working with 3 values, 0 for off, 1 for dim and 2 for on. So it is having 3 values to work, 0 for off, 1 for dim and 2 for on. So 2 I am giving for make it on. Okay, for make it on. Okay, 2 for make it on. 1 means very dim color, very dim light. So I am giving 2 as the output. So go to the else part, custom right. If there is no motion and if your door not opened, no need to make the light on. So 3 comma 0. Okay, so light has to off. So stop, clear and run your script. No motion, so no camera, no door, no light. Okay, nothing behaved. So now I am giving the motion here, moving my mouse over the motion sensor. So once detected, see camera on, door and light is in that white circle. 1 minute, white circle will create there. I think you could notice it. I am again execute. So see here that white circle created over the light, which means the light is on. Okay, stop, clear output. Now for the last one, for LCD. So custom right of LCD connected with pin number 4 with your SBC. So 4 comma, I want to give a message. So what message I want to display it in the LCD means welcome home. Okay, when there is a motion, I want the message welcome home to be printed. Else, if there is no motion detected, which means no person is standing in front of my door, so I wish to type door closed message. And in which pin number? Pin number 4. 4 is connected with your LCD. So 4 comma door closed. Okay, so this 4 is connected. So based on that pin number you have to perform. So run. So now there is no motion, so door closed is the message. Okay, so when the motion is detected, the message will be changed. Okay, now I am moving mouse over the sensor, alt key, move. Now motion detected. Now you can see welcome home and camera on, door open. You could see all the if part is running. Okay, and you could also notice that door light and welcome home message. So once it return back, actually motion sensor will be enabled for 5 seconds. Okay, so based on these values I have done some simple example with the support of these IoT devices. And you could have door 2 values you can play, 1 0 like that. Here I have given. If you wish, you can give different values and you could perform different operations. Okay, this is about that smart door system. Hope you all understand. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, click the like button. Thank you very much.